Hello there, students, and welcome back again. It's me, Mr. Bach. Are you ready to begin? In this lesson, we'll play along to the following notes for this song. Wanna give it a try? Let's play some more. I think they're ready, Mr. Zach. You can count to 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. C, 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 D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, 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 D.
Oh yeah! Keep it up.
3, 4. Again, get ready, go. C, 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 D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 2, ready, go. C, 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 D. Now let's get ready for measure 2. 1, 2, ready, go. E, hold, D, hold. 1, 2, 1, 2, again, go. E, and hold it down, and D, and hold it down. Again, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. E, hold that down, D, hold that down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time, get ready, go. E, hold, D, hold. Great job. Let's go on to measure 3. 1, 2, ready, go. C, E, D, D. 3 more times. 1, 2, ready, go. C, E, D, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, E, D, D. One last time. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. C, E, D, D. Great job. Now measure 4. Here we go. C, hold, hold, hold. And again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, hold it longer, hold it even longer, and off. There we go. Good job. Here we go. 2 more times. 2, ready, go. C, hold, 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 and off. 1 more time. 1, 2, ready, go. C, hold, 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 and off. All right, now we're going to try 2 measures at a time from the beginning. C, 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 D, E, hold, D, hold. Again, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. C, 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 D, E, hold, D, hold. 2 more times. You're doing great. 1, 2, ready, go. C, 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 D, E, hold, D, hold. 1 more time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, 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 D, E, hold, D, hold. All right, good job. Now let's go on to measures 3 and 4. C, E, D, D, then C. Hold it longer, hold it even longer. And let's do it again. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. C, E, D, D, C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 1, 2, ready, go. C, E, D, D, C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. C, E, D, D, C. 2, 3, 4. Hold, 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 hold. Now, let's go back to the beginning of the song and try the whole thing. C, 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 D, E, hold, D, hold, C, E, D, D, C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, ready, go. C, 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 D, E, hold, D, hold, C, E, D, E, C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more times. 5, 6, 7, 8. C, 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 D, E, hold, D, hold, C, E, D, D, C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one last time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. C, 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 D, E, hold, D, hold, C, E, D, D, C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Really nice, like a cup of coffee good.